What is up, you guys? We are back in Cozumel, Mexico this week for another fun adventure. This time we're not going to Playa del Carmen, we're actually going to Parasail for a bit today, and then maybe grab some food with some friends, explore the town for a little bit, give you a little different view than we're used to. This is actually our second to last Cozumel port, so in about a week we'll be changing itineraries. We'll be going up to New York City, which is so dope. I used to live in New York for about 3 years, so I couldn't be more excited to be back in that city. And we'll be porting in Bermuda for a couple overnights. It's gonna be great for like 3 weeks. And then I'll be done the cruise contract. It's been a wild couple of months, so it should be great. You guys ready? Yeah. Woo! Let's go.
Bad news.
Oh, no tienes?
No, no lo vas a encontrar.
No.
No, está cancelado porque hay mucho viento.
Ah, sí, yo pensaba un poco.
Sí, entonces como hay mucho viento, corres riesgo. Por eso me acaban de avisar que está cancelado.
Okay, no, está bien. So, plot twist, it's way too windy today to go parasailing. The guy literally said if we go, we might blow away. So they're not gonna risk it.
But
it's all right.
We could go viral on TikTok.
Yeah, we could go viral and blow away. That'd be fun. But we're just gonna come back next week, and hopefully our last Cozumel day we can get to Parasail. It's gonna be amazing because we're trying to go drive around the island too. So it's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be awesome. So plot twist, we're gonna figure out how the rest of the day is gonna be. So look who I just found. Cozumel. It's my buddy John. I love this guy.
We're living the dream.
We're living the dream. We are on our way. Where are we going right now, John?
We are going to a place, Cozumel Dreaming.
Cozumel Dreaming.
All you can eat sushi.
All you can eat sushi in Mexico, of all places.
In Mexico.
But hey, supposedly it's amazing.
Pray for us that it's fresh.
Right. I mean, we're on an island.
We're on an island.
So that's a plus, right?
There's got to be fish somewhere.
There's got to be fish somewhere. Discovering this place.
Oh my god, it's
Jared.
shit. So good.
That was amazing.
So good.
If you guys are ever in Cozumel and you want some sushi, it was incredible, super fresh. Some of the best sushi I've ever had in Mexico, I think ever. It's awesome. Pretty chill day in Cozumel. It could have been crazier, high up in the air, but it was way too windy. Got a lot of last minute souvenirs and stuff because it's our second to last Cozumel port. We had a bunch of sushi and I am super full. Gonna be an interesting 2 shows tonight.